For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has drifted farther from Earth, a lone machine carrying the hopes of a past century. For months, NASA feared it had finally gone silent forever. Its transmissions were broken, corrupted, meaningless. But then in April, something impossible happened. A new signal arrived, not noise, not static, but structured data. Clear. Powerful. Alive. Voyager 1, now more than 15 billion miles from Earth, had crossed the outer edge of the heliosphere and emerged into true interstellar space. Scientists expected emptiness. Instead, the spacecraft reported structure, shifting plasma, tangled magnetic fields, abrupt pressure fronts, as if the void beyond the sun were a storm, not a vacuum. After engineers performed a software bypass to rescue its damaged memory, Voyager's instruments came back online. What they revealed stunned the scientific world. Beyond the heliosphere lies a realm of twisted magnetism and violent radiation flows, a region behaving like an ocean of energy. Its magnetometer detected an interstellar magnetic field tilted far more sharply than predicted. Not a smooth transition, a clash. Voyager appeared to have entered a turbulence zone where magnetic lines twist and reconnect in chaotic loops. These fields may guide cosmic rays across the galaxy, shaping star birth, supernova remnants, and even the conditions that allow planets like Earth to form. Moments later, Voyager recorded a spike in high-energy particles, cosmic rays accelerated by distant black holes and exploding stars. But the pattern was the shock. They weren't arriving randomly. They followed corridors, invisible highways cut through the interstellar medium. It was as if Voyager had entered a bloodstream, the galaxy's hidden circulatory system. Every few months, the spacecraft moves through new pockets of interstellar medium, abrupt changes in density, pressure, and temperature. These zones aren't uniform. They're layered, divided by unseen boundaries. Plasma waves hum constantly in the background, revealing a space that is not quiet but vibrating. Then came the most disturbing event. Several instruments began returning values that contradicted each other, until they didn't. Over days, they aligned into synchronized oscillations. Harmonics. Patterns. Not noise but resonance. Analysis revealed repeating peaks across the spectrum, as though Voyager had entered a region where the background frequencies form an organized system. And then came the silence. During one interval, the spacecraft appeared to transmit nothing. But deep analysis uncovered a hidden signature, a faint echo of Voyager's own signal, delayed by milliseconds. Not a reflection. A cancellation. As if something in the dark absorbed the transmission, then folded it back. A null echo. A response without a voice. NASA cannot explain it. But the signature carries interstellar distortion, meaning it came from outside the heliosphere. Something out there reacted. Meanwhile, scientists are using Voyager's data to construct the first real-time 3D map of the interstellar environment. What they see defies everything we believed about space. There are layers, corridors, voids, pressure ridges, and magnetic walls, a hidden geometry beneath the chaos. Space is not empty. It is engineered by forces older than our sun. Voyager is not mapping stars. It's mapping the structure of the galaxy itself. When the probe launched in 1977, we thought it was heading into infinite silence. Instead, it found a domain with texture, pressure, magnetism, and memory. The boundaries of the solar system are not soft. They are torn, reactive, shifting. And beyond them lies a realm that behaves less like emptiness and more like a system. Voyager didn't simply leave home. It crossed into something that seems to notice. Something that shapes the energies around it. Something that might not be entirely natural. We thought we were sending a message in a bottle into the void. But what if the void has been listening all along? Tell me, do you think Voyager entered a natural frontier? Or has it crossed